Your profile picture is one of the first things that people see on your LinkedIn profile. So choose professional looking photo that clear show your face. And your picture should have a plain background and you have a well dressed. So now I will tell you how you can upload your picture. So first of all, you just need to click on this camera, and after this you just need to click on upload photo. And if you are using your laptop camera, you just need to click on use camera, and different frames are available, open to work and hiring badge, so you can use according to your requirement. For example, this time I'm showing you how to upload your photo. You just need to click on upload photo, and after this you just need to select your photo. And now you can see that here the different more things are available, for example zoom functions, and different more filters are available, so you can use all these filters according to your requirement. And here is a crop option, you can crop your picture, and from here you can zoom your picture according to your requirement. And once you are satisfied, and then you just need to click on save photo. For example, I am just zooming now, and then just click on save photo. And now you can see photo, and if you want to change this photo, you just need to click on photo, and different more frames are available. For example, you want to put here the open to work, and you just need to click on open to work and just click on apply. And here you just need to select your job title that you are searching. For example, you are searching a accounts manager, so you just need to write here the accounts manager. For example, if you are searching for sales manager, in job title you just need to write here the sales manager. For example, this profile for affiliate manager, and I already wrote here the affiliate manager, and then I just need to click on save, and then no thanks. And now you can see that. And if you want to remove this badge, you just need to click on pencil again, and from here you can also use a hiring badge. And if you want to see just an original picture, not using open to work or hiring badge, you just need to click on apply. And now you can see that. You can use open to work badge if you are searching for jobs, and if you are a recruiter and searching for a candidate, you can use a recruiter badge. So hope you understand about this, how to change your profile image. And second thing is background image. Background image should relevant to your job title and your company, so people when view your LinkedIn profile, they will totally understand what kind of services you are provided and what kind of job you are searching. So now I will tell you how you can upload the background. You just need to click on this camera sign and just click on edit profile background, and from here you can select according to your requirement. And for example, this time I'm just selecting here the Shopinzer, and now you can see that like this you can use a banner according to your job titles, according to your requirement. And if you want to change again, you just need to click on pencil, and from here you can crop, adjust, and different filters are available, zoom, so everything is available, you can use according to your requirement. For example, if you want to remove this one, you just need to click on delete photo.